It's me, Chinu.
Nary. Today, we're going on a color dance adventure. I'll call out a color and we'll explore fun places together. When you hear the color, find something that matches and show it to the screen. Ready? Let's go! Let's go to the farm. But do we see red apples hanging on the tree? Find something red, just like that. A red toy, a red shirt, or a red hat. You found red. Great job, BrainyBoppers. Let's move to the next color. Dive, dive, dive into the sea. Blue water splashes, you and me. Find something blue, it's your next task. A blue cup, a blue ball, or a blue mask. Awesome, you're doing great. Time for the next color. And look in the garden, the sun's so bright. Yellow flowers are such a delight. Find something yellow, quick, don't wait. A yellow banana or a yellow plate. Fantastic! You're really good at this. Let's find another color. Stomp, stomp, stomp in the forest green. Leaves and trees, it's a beautiful scene. Find something green, it's time to play. A green crayon or a green tray. Wow, BrainyBoppers, you're amazing. One last color to go. Step in the castle, the walls are purple. It's a magic land full of sparkle. Find something purple near or far. A purple grape or a purple jar. Hooray! You found all the colors! Let's celebrate! You found the colors, red, blue, and more. Yellow, green, and purple, what a great score! Dance, jump, and shout hooray! Color dance party, make your day! BrainyBoppers, you're the best color finders ever! Keep looking for colors wherever you go!